So we are going to start a new project. For example, we say that our number game. Okay, we are in the week 6. It's fine. Next. Next. We are empty project. Next. And then we finish. So first of all, we need to change that specific part. You know that we say that I want to a linear layout. Here I want to remove all those constraints. Okay, instead of saying hello world, we are saying it number game. We can put something here like text size 30 sp, text color. Again, here we can give a specific number. Remember, I have that template. You know, this number, these are the, what you can say, that we can select different color. Maybe I can say that I want to go for the red. It will show me that particular specific number. I copy from here and I can put it here. Okay, so if we go back into our design view, maybe I can just open my preview. It's here, and then I can say that I want to make it a center line. So I say that gravity is equal to center, so it will go into the center. Why it is going to the vertical center? Can you tell me why it is going, instead of going to the horizontal center, it is going to the vertical center? Anyone who can explain me this part? I say that I want to use the gravity center, but what I am expecting that it will go in the horizontal center, not the vertical center. What is the problem here? Yes, the orientation. So we have the by default orientation of that linear layout is horizontal. So we want to make it vertical. So if I just make it vertical, look at that. Automatically it is saying that the center is horizontal center, going up. Okay? And then if I just try to use that background color as well, so maybe I can use a different background color here, a little bit different, so that we can use those elevation, giving you the concept of that particular, you know, elevation like 20 dp. Okay, and now I want that the user give me the name before he want to play the game. It give me the name. Okay, so I say that I have a linear layout again. Why? Because I want to put name, and then right in front of that name I want to give a input field. Okay, so I say that match parent wrap content, and here I say that I want to give text view wrap content, and the text is your name. Maybe I can say that text size or text color. Text color is, maybe I can go back and find a different one, the black one here, and then I say that I want to use the text size. Text size is like 20 sp. Okay, a little bit bigger. Maybe I want to put some padding here, 10 dp. So in this way the padding is coming inside it. Okay, and then I need an edit text. Again, wrap content, maybe I want to put some hint, enter your name here. Okay, text size Again I want to put 20 sp. I want to use the same color of this one here. Okay, so that's a hint. Maybe I want to put some space between this and this part. What I need to do, I want to put space between this particular text view and the edit text. Padding left or margin left? It will do the same thing, but padding is a different thing. Padding is like inside this particular blue box, we are leaving info space on the left. And if I say margin, then out of that particular blue box and this box, the space between them. So I will just show you both. Margin left, where is left? Margin left, putting some 10 dp. So look at that, the distance between these two, there is a distance. Okay, so that's the margin, this space between two different components or two different visual components. Okay, we leave it like that. We have this enter. So again we want to we want to access this particular information which is given by the user. So if we want to access those information, we want to extract those information, we need to provide an ID to this one. Okay, we need to provide a name for that one. So we say that name input. Okay, and then after that we have a button, not this here. I want to put out of that linear layout because that's okay. Maybe I can also say that I want to layout underscore gravity center. Okay, and here is again I say that layout gravity center, and here again I say that layout gravity center. So I'm trying to move it around, but it is not going away. But anyway, fine. So after this particular linear layout that we have created with the name and the input field, I am putting some button. Maybe I can button wrap content. I want to put the layout gravity center. It go to the center. I put some text. I say that start game. Okay, and then I say that text size 30 sp. Okay, and again because I want to access that particular, I said on click event start game, clicked. I can simply like bring my cursor here. I press alt and enter. It will show me that particular box. Either you can click here, you can go to that particular button, or when you are in that, your cursor is here on this particular name of the method, you can press alt and enter. It will show you that particular dialog box, and then you can select the create that particular method inside the Java class. Okay, the other thing is I want to add a ID to this one as well, like start game button. And then if we come back to our class here, I say that added text, that is the variable that I want to create for that input field. Okay, for example, name input, and then we also have a button like start game button, and here I can set those variables or link those variables with my graphical layout. Name input is equal to find by view id r.id dot name input. Okay, and similarly we have a start game button is equal to find by view id r dot id dot start game button. I don't want to enable this particular button unless and until the user has given me the name. What I want to do, I can disable like start game dot set enabled. I say false. When I say false, if I try to run that particular application, in the beginning that specific button will be disabled. We can't do anything with that. That is creating, running, installing the APK, launching the application. Where is my application? Yeah, it's coming. A little slow. Okay, look at that. It's not a clickable. It's a disabled button. Button is there. It is visible, but disabled. We can also set